Hello, today I want to show how you can apply for a Ugandan visa online. Yeah, so if you don't know how to do it, please follow along. It will be a step-by-step process. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing now. Be part of this knowledge team. Like the video. Yes, so without wasting time, let me go to the computer and I show you how to do it.
Your phone, computer, and open the browser and enter this URL, immigration.go.ug. It will open from this page, this interface. Yes. Then you come and click on open e-visa. Click e-visa. Yeah, you leave it to load and open. Yeah, depending on your internet speed, it can take somehow longer. If the internet is okay, it can be so fast. Yes, it has come. Once it comes from here, it opens from this page where it says welcome to Uganda electronic visa stop permit application. Let's go straight and we click on start new application. Then you accept the disclaimer. Yeah, you can read through it and accept. Then here step 1 says select the type of application. Are you applying for permit or visa? We are applying for permit. You click and choose. We are applying for visa. You click and choose visa. Yes. Then to show you here the category, choose the category. Maybe we have different categories here: visa for diplomatic, stock official, passport holders, Ugandan tourist visa, East African tourist visa, transit visa, multiple entry visa. So let's say we select the category as Uganda tourist visa. Then subcategory, we select enter one. Then here they are showing you down here supporting documents that you need to be having according to the visa you have applied above. So we have a letter stating the reason for transit and country of destination, or documents, supporting documents for purpose of visit, maybe medical, invitation letter, in bracket family visit, recent passport size photo, vaccination certificate, yellow fever. Yes. That is for all, for everyone applying. Then cover letter detailing the purpose of the visit. That is in others. Immigration status of the host. That is for the family visit. If your visa is for the family visit, then you have to attach the immigration status of the host. Then invitation letter for conference. If you are coming for conference, then you have to have an invitation letter. Then attach the passport copy. Then you have to pay for tourist visa. You have to pay $50 US. Yes, as you can see here, that's the charge that you have to pay. Yeah, so let's click next. Yes, so we click next. We go to step 2. Under step 2, it is asking us to enter. Do you want to associate this visa to a group? If so, if not, you continue down. You enter the personal data. Enter your name here. Enter your names here. You enter your date of birth, when you were born, maybe 2008, and date. If that's done, you choose your gender, you are male or female. Marital status, you can choose married, or if you are married, you enter your spouse's name, as you can see, but for this case, let me choose single. Then current nationality, maybe you are from where, which country? Maybe China, because we have Chinese, a lot of Chinese here. And then do you have dual nationality? If yes, you click here, you tick yes. If no, you tick no. Former nationality, if any. If you don't have, you leave. Place of birth, you put. Country of birth, you as well enter it here. I'm entering any rough information, but if you're feeling, you have to put in the right information. Then immigration status in the country of residence. Yes. Are you a citizen? Yes. Country of residence, you put city, you put current residential address, you put your phone number and email. Put your phone number here and email. Then we go to next, another part, passport type. Which passport do you have? Do you have ordinary, diplomatic, visa? What? Let's say ordinary. But passport number, you enter it here. Issuing place, issuing country, you put it. Place of issue, you enter it. Date of issue, you enter. Expiry date, you enter. Enter the expiry date. Then previous passport, if any. Then we can go to others, which is the next. Address in Uganda where you are going. Travel history, if you have any history, it's mandatory. Purpose of visit, why visiting? Purpose, is it conference, family, medical, what? Maybe it is a family visit, maybe it is tourism. Date of arrival. Date of arrival, let's say it's today. A point of entry where you want to have a visa personalized. Maybe you will be in Guru. Then duration of stay, how long are you going to stay? Maybe 4 months. Specify the period in months or years or days. Have you ever been denied a visa before? If yes, tick yes. If no, you click no. Have you ever been deported before? If yes, tick yes. If no, click no. Have you ever been convicted in any country? If yes, click yes. If no, click no. Are there any criminal proceedings against you? If no, tick no. Are you suffering from any mental illness? If yes, click yes. If no, click no. Then confirm the information and validate. Then go to next step. Go down, click next step. They are telling us, do you have children? There is some information we haven't entered here. Specify the period in days. Specify the period in months. Yes, there's some information we haven't entered. It needs attention. Do you have children endorsed? No. And there is another something else that maybe we never entered. What is it? Error. Duration of stay. This one. Maybe it is 1 year. 1 year. I think that is it. Anything else? Yes, let's go to next step. Specify the days and months not accepted. Specify the days and months the following year. Okay, duration of stay. Duration of stay request 3. Here it will be in months. 3 months. Yes. Then next is to validate the information. Traffic lights, we have this traffic light, this. Then click next. For the next step, it is asking you to attach the copies of passport copy, recent passport size, and certificate. So you click here and attach those documents. Click attach passport photo size. Vaccination certificate. Vaccination certificate, you attach it. Vaccination certificate here is too big. It's too big. Okay. Get something smaller because you have to see the size of the documents that is required to be uploaded. Yes, if that is done, you click next. It will take you to a preview page. Then you can preview the information that you have entered and check and make sure that every information entered is correct. Once everything is okay and have attached the required documents, click submit. Yes, you can as well print it out. You can print the form out and submit. Yes, so that's all that you need to do. Yeah, then but remember you have to pay for this tourist visa that we have chosen here. For different visas, they have different prices, but this was $50. You have to pay it. Yes, as you submit. So that is it. Yeah, so that's all. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this knowledge base and make sure you like this video, because once you like it, it is going to spread around and everyone can see it. Yeah, so I know many people need such information, so let other people see the information and get that knowledge. Yes, so please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's meet in another video. Big ups.